Hi there. Table deduplication is an easy task with QuickRows. This table contains more than 300,000 used cars. It proceeds from different sources, so it could contain duplicated information. The procedure requires the definition of the columns to be compared. We will include the brand, the year, the model, the number of cylinders, the fuel, the odometer count, and the type of transmission. If all of them match, the compared rows are considered duplicated. Let's invoke QuickRows main menu using the Ctrl-Q combination, and select function number 1, data selection. Now we just insert the percentage symbol and the columns to be compared. We will use the double percentage sign to request a deduplication without elimination. The process takes about 15 seconds to compare all the 300,000 rows. OK. The new table has grouped and marked the duplicated rows, indicating their original position. For example, this Infiniti model appears 9 times, this Ford, 4 times, and this Toyota, 6 times. Now we can compare them and decide if our comparison criteria was appropriated. Let's repeat the process, but this time we will eliminate the duplicated. To do that, we just insert the percentage sign once. Our new listing is similar to the previous one, but all the duplicated rows have been eliminated. The dup column shows how many times each row was duplicated in the original sheet. With QuickRows, the tasks in Excel are faster and easier. Try it now.